Hey everyone, and welcome to the Islamic Quiz channel.
To the ultimate test of your Islamic knowledge. In this game, there's no maybe, no sometimes, just true or false. 50 question in 7 seconds. Islamic knowledge true or false.
So, let's begin this journey of knowledge and reflection. Let's go. The Quran emphasizes justice for orphans. True. The Quran encourages kindness to parents. True. The Quran states that no soul is burdened beyond its capacity. True. The Quran mentions the Battle of Badr. True. The Quran refers to the Treaty of Hudaybiyah as a clear victory. True. The Quran warns against backbiting. The Quran describes paradise, Jannah, in detail. True. The Quran places Iblis, Satan, in the category of jinn. True. The Quran mentions the Pharaoh of the time of Prophet Musa. True. The Quran states that the body of the Pharaoh was preserved as a lesson. True. The Quran mentions the resting place of Prophet Noah's Ark as Mount Judy. True. The Quran uses the terms dunya, this world, and akhirah, hereafter, an equal number of times. True. The Quran uses the words say and they said an equal number of times. True. The word month is mentioned 12 times in the Quran. True. The word day, yom, is mentioned 365 times in the Quran. True. The name Muhammad is mentioned 4 times in the Quran. True. Surah At-Tawbah is the only chapter that does not begin with Bismillah. True. Surah An-Naml has the phrase Bismillah mentioned twice within it. True. Surah Yasin is known as the heart of the Quran. True. Surah Al-Fatiha is a compulsory part of every unit, rak'ah, of the Muslim prayer, salah. True. There are 15 verses of prostration, sajda, in the Quran. True. The first verse about prostration, sajda, is in Surah Al-Araf. The Quran was revealed in the Arabic language. True. The Quran has been perfectly preserved in its original language. True. A person who memorized the entire Quran is called a Hafiz. True.